Welcome back. Welcome back. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about a single thing, which is Shopify. Now, if you all want to know what is Shopify, Shopify is an e-commerce platform with the domain name shopify.com, which is involved in buying and selling of either goods or digital services, something like that. So I'm sure you may have known Shopify, or Shopify may not have been a new thing to you. But why am I explaining Shopify? So Shopify is based on two main things: buying and selling. And for the buying and selling aspect is involved in three set of faces. That is, I will call them people, three set of people. So we have the buyer customers, which customers, yes, the customers. We have the merchants, and we have the freelancers. So that's how Shopify is based on. That's where the money comes from. So either you as a customer, you come to the Shopify store and buy, or you as a merchant, you sell your products in the Shopify store. It's just passing value. And or you as a freelancer, you do sell a service or you work for the merchant. That is everything. That's how Shopify works. That's the way people make money from Shopify. How we get. So how you get, how, let me say, okay, I think I'm going to explain that. I've explained how the customers, the buyers, the customers, the merchants get in touch with Shopify. So you just go to like for the customers, how do customers get in touch with Shopify? You go to the website. Okay, you may see a product. Yes, you may see a product which a buyer may advertise in different platform. So for you to know that, okay, this platform I want to buy this product from is a recommended platform, it's a good platform, I would advise, once you check it below the page, the home page of that website, you see powered by Shopify. So that, seeing a website like that, you should know that that is a legit website. That's for the customers. That is the way Shopify is good for customers. It will recommend, okay, this website is a legit website. All your purchases are legit. You receive your goods. That is the way it benefits customers because of their high reputation. Shopify is the best e-commerce platform. Now for merchants, yes, Shopify is very easy to operate as a merchant. Merchant with less tech experience. Merchant that doesn't know much about tech, so they'll be able to use Shopify easily. Just something they just need to set up with little effort. No need to. It's not like all these Web3 platform. So that's the way it benefits merchant, easy, and everything. All the payment processing and other things are seamless, very easy to operate. And I think Shopify has a lot of traffic than some of them other platforms. Yes, because Shopify has high attention than other e-commerce platforms. So that is the way it benefits merchants. Easy to use, everything is seamless, everything is just done in Shopify. They have many tools, many things a merchant need to make money from that store. That is for the Shopify. That is for the merchants. Now, and they are able to also sell their products perfectly because Shopify is the best platform, and all customers knows that Shopify is the best platform. That's for the merchant. Now for the freelancers offer service to Shopify merchants. Yes, that is the way it's like. Okay, they reach out to Shopify merchants who are using Shopify store, and they must have learned some one or two from the Shopify store on how to help them, because you can't just say, okay, you are a freelancer, you want to you want to meet a merchant just to no, you can't just collect money. You must offer something that the merchant can't do. Like, let's say either offering service like web design, know how to design themes in Shopify, know how to design the Favicon page and some other pages, and know how to do the setup, different things, know how to optimize the store. You must know different service. There are a lot of service you must know as a freelancer. So once you know those service, you make sure you are perfect in them, know how to resolve any issue merchants has, because merchants will not be able to resolve all technical issue because they have to attend to many things. They have to attend to the products, the shipping, everything. So they will not have that time. So they need a tech savvy, like a tech team, to back them up. So even for stores with higher traffic, higher attention rate, so they will need a freelancer. So that's where freelancers come into Shopify. And once they come into Shopify, they help the merchants make things easy for them, because they only just specialize on the tech part. Make sure they set different things up, how to get the store traffic, how to get, okay, merchant is facing sales issue, how to help the merchant resolve this. So this is what freelancers should know, everything. So freelancers will reach out to these merchants, make sure they are good in conversion, all, yes, all the section they also need conversion, because you're going to make sure you are able to present what you want to sell. It's buying and selling. Present what you want to sell to your buyers, so your buyers will be interested in buying from that. That is that for that. And if you want to know more about Shopify, you can just say specific things you want to know about Shopify, and I will explain it in my next video. I hope you get this perfectly. So just state it. You can drop a comment of what you want to say, and if it's what I can answer directly, I will just answer it directly to you in the comment section. But if it's not what I can answer directly, I need a video proof. So I will just do a video related to that, and I will explain everything, and you can get it perfectly and clear. So I hope you use Shopify. That's my first research I just did. Based on my last video, I told you that I'm going to be doing research on things you want to know. So I've done, okay, this Shopify, I'm used to Shopify before. So this Shopify, I can explain most things about Shopify for you. So you only just to say what specific things you need to know, you want to know about Shopify. So before you ask me a question, you have to make your own research or know about Shopify. Not just come and ask me a random question, because I may not answer you. So that's how it is. And Shopify is actually a good platform. You can try it out. And thank you later. Have a nice day.